Double empathy problem was also pretty revolutionary in the way that we viewed communication, especially with autistic folks. And Dr. Damien Milton in 2012 was kind of one of the first to say, hey, wait, we are so quick to say that autistic people can't communicate or that they don't know how to express things and that it's a one-way street. When the reality is it's actually a two-way street. And with that, he did a lot of studies to where they took autistic folks, they put them in a group, had them communicate, had them talk through things, had them problem solve stuff. And they found that the autistic folks were able to experience empathy. They were able to build a rapport. There was no breakdown in communication. They did the exact same thing with just neurotypical people. Same thing, have them talk through things, have them problem solve, have them, just have conversations. They were able to have empathy, build rapport, no breakdown in communication. The issue came when we mixed autistic folks and neurotypical folks, and the communication just totally kind of broke down. And why is that important? It's because so much of autism is viewed as the onus of communicating lies on the autistic person. They need to change how they talk. They are the issue. When it's not really the case. Both forms of communication and the way that we show up in the world are actually very accurate. The issue is that sometimes they just don't always mesh, and the autistic people are usually the ones that have to be behaviorally trained to talk differently, to make eye contact, to understand certain aspects and social cues, and my question is, why isn't it ever the other way around, because both of them are accurate. And so that double empathy problem really kind of shows us that, again, the issue is not the way that the autistic brain works. It's not the way that they communicate. The issue is the expectation that neurotypical people have on how autistic people show up in this world. And as soon as you kind of take that expectation off of the neurodivergent folks and kind of put it back on neurotypical people as well, then you kind of really start to switch what the problem is here.